start. My second one of this microphone. Make music to my fans them from
Yo, people, you don't know me, the Fox now come for that Fox, you understand? Yeah, man. People are going. What going with Popcaan, man? Wait. Oh, nah, you're nothing. Now what going? Man, them forget about Popcaan. John, no. I think, sir. Man, done a real big international artist. You understand? Where man them do Popcaan? Look like say from Cartel come out. Man, them bench man. Me see man a drop some song, but it's like, I don't know what going. No attention. John, no. What going now? And now them not trust him. Or what? Things say Popcaan would done mash up a place right now, but you know me, if I wonder what going. Man a drop be a song, man a drop, but it's like, I don't know, it look like Gaza fans them left. The two give me strength like one, like back then. What really like one? Cause you know look good. You see me? But I just saw the thing set, you know. You see, cause you know Popcaan a good artist and thing, but kinda look away right now where man a drop some song and you see me? Not tuning all of these things. You see me? Yeah. See, I look at thing I go on the media with him. I'm Valiant. You see it? Yeah. You don't know I look at thing the resurf back. You see me? But you don't know the thing say still, but you kill them, man. Where you kill them, what the unruly man them there. It's like, how? Man them bench or what? You see me? Yeah, man. But you don't know. You see most of the artists them there.
I need you subscribe.
It's like them don't really get that much highlight, you see me? Yeah, man, them not really much get them highlight there. You see it? And as a man like Popcaan, you know, my man really face and all of these things, you know, my damn thing. But I think I see a video clip. Read a video, people.
this costs like $6,000 US. This microphone in here, so I try to give my fans the best quality of music wherever I am in the world. So we are set up a portable studio in Canada right now. So getting the place crazy.
Because we're not lazy.
Yeah, man. I tell you that I know the boss like him there at Toronto, man. Like him I set up a little mini studio and thing, is it? Yeah, man, I set it up, man, so him can go produce him song and every little thing, is it? Yeah, man, buy up him equipment, them and everything. But I hope the Gaza fans them, you see me? Yeah, I hope the Gaza fans them go support the youth. You see it? Can't bench man so quick, dog. Remember Popcaan did that show up, so, you know? Remember, you know? By world pie like this, you know. The Kennedy, the man saying from Cartel come from prison, it's like, you know what going, the man energy gone. You see what I try to say? It's like the man energy gone, me I wonder what going. How them a did and know the boss, so. You see me? Last time, we see Cartel do a little thing. I see look at, like the man them video call him. Pan Cartel show. You see it? Yeah, man, it's like the man them video call him Pan Cartel show and thing. You see it, enough to call him out and thing, you see me? Yeah, man, but you don't know when I time forward out him there, Miami, and Canada, him there, but you see it, I think, I see this article thing like, I think him have some new booking agency. You see me? I see the article. You see me? Yeah, man, so hopefully boss can get back him visa still. You see, cause you don't know a good while now, I'm not going to the United States, so. And also when the man touching the United States, I don't know, normal, you know. You see me? Yeah, man, cause the boss thing large. You see, but I don't know what really I go on from with you. Man been a drop music, but it's like nothing a resurface. I wonder what really I go on. You see, me not hear nobody here talk about it or nothing. You see me? I wonder what I go on. You know, Gaza fans like, man, I'm done with Popcaan to write it, cause you see, so my time in I'm gonna share your fans, you know, bro. Them thing at me, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. Cause I don't see nobody really majority I'm fans of my Gaza fan them. You see it, so the thing I look good, people. You see me? Thing really not look good. You see it. But he's a good artist. and them thing loud. You see me? But really don't know what go on, I know where the strength they are, what. You see me? Yeah man, them need to do better than that, man. Can't have it unruly boss. Like man, them want left him out in a desert in a wall or something. You see me? Yeah man.
I need you
You don't know
subscribe.
Popcaan did sign with OVO and thing, and you know? I know what go on, look like things never work out. Follow with him booking agency with him and Sharon Burke, you see me? So independent thing, you know? See me? Yeah man, but I just saw it going as an independent artist. You see when you have the machine a push a thing and rake. I remember when him there on the Drake thing and machine we get beer collabs and all of them thing with some big star, and is what I try to say, but it's like now when all of the machine they left here now, man. Yeah, wonder what go on. You see me, you alone left here now.
Volt I use, you know. I follow them get at a Red Bull. Post me by this. Red Bull, I make the baddest mix them foodie. Yeah. Me rapper I go mix some rapper yeah. Woo. Yeah. And I mix some music. Music can start build rhythm for any song.
So you have to test your full effect, you know, for see if you're really that powerful. You see me? Yeah man. But I know say majority of fans them was Gaza fan thing, cause you don't know what that him get most of them energy from. That type of fans there, you see me? But Gaza fan them have them artists, you know, so who did I use the Gaza strength? Them time up, you know, cause man them not pay on the mind. You see, that's why good as an artist, you build your own fan base. I talk about true fans, man. I talk about no fans where wishy-washy and all of them look something there. You understand? No, when I talk about that. You see it? When I talk about that. You see me? We are talk about true fan base. Fans where no matter what them did for you, listen your music, I push your thing and all of them look something there. I keep you in the algorithm. You see me? But from Cartel come from prison, a lot of it a show up a lot of artists where did that rep the guys I think show say yo. They're not really fool no fans, you know. Just I want to use them 3 minutes being in prison, so Cartel found out no one and take back him fans them and left the artists them where they use it on the bench right now. Nothing now go on, song a drop, everything them forgot. You see it, the leverage gone. You see me? Yeah man, rough man. But if you just start up him on road, me know say maybe soon drop it on road first and thing. I wonder what go on, I'm not too see nothing for that era. Hopefully we can see what December still, cause the last time him keep, you see me? Last time something keep, you know, it don't look good, but the boss he can pull him crowd and thing, you see me? I think like say yo, I don't know what go on, but them don't want to free up him visa and thing, but at times him get him visa, you know, cause man we come from prison and them look think they get them visa. A short space of time. You see Popcaan, they know can't get film visa, you know. People might wonder what really are going. You see it? Yeah man, people might wonder what really are going, so
Search for some song. You know what I'm saying? Keyboard plus a drum machine.
I think you'd be better off with this. These are both missing groups of parts.
Alright, let's get
It's
it.
a new one.
Yeah. And we have some earphone over here, so we need to. Fine. I make this week, me just make beer girl.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
I think him deserve to get back in visa, man, cause you don't know US not see him how long. As an artist, we can do him thing, we can perform him thing, you see me? Yeah, man. But I know I go on with the music thing for him, you see it? I'm dropping music, but I don't know, I guess maybe through him father, I go around the media now, so they're not really tuning into that, you see me? So if I just go and drop in the work, you see me? Maybe one of them can hit or something, you see me? Yeah, man. If I just go and do him thing and make sure I say, yo, the thing go on, is it?
I need you subscribe.
Happy a good artist, good artist, you see me? So if I just go and do him thing, you see it? I'll do my try, my do him thing and drop in music and all them things, but when I say nothing go on, nothing resurface and all of them look thing there, I buy up him equipment and them look thing there, but nothing go on. If I wonder, you see me? Yeah, man, you know, look good. But you just go and do your thing. You see me? You don't know. Top international artist, successful, big artist, you see me? Can't take that from him. You see me? But just a lack of support right now. You see it? Yeah, man, lack of support right now, so I'm going to go and do him thing. You see it? Hopefully down the line, people can start tuning back to the music and thing, you see me? But you look at way for man, then I mash up the place with you and then everything gone, you know, everything die down. You see it? Yeah, man. Things are going, man. You see me? Things are going. You see it, but I don't know. And if the Gaza boss come take away, you look at energy or take with the vibes or what. You see me? From him right now, you see it?
Sam, get the girl them wet this week. Cause the place cold. It's a lifestyle. You know, make more music for your world, cause music give everything all we have. God give you talent, music. Do everything after that. You know, God continue to protect you and bless you up here. Music is life. That is.
But nothing now go on, people. You see it? Nothing now go on. I drop one bag of song, but I don't see nobody talk about it or nothing. You see it? Yeah, man, I see nobody really talk about it. But Popcaan a good artist and thing, you see me? Yeah, man, I'm free up the visa now for see if you can solo out some shows over in the US there. You see me? That would look good for dancehall, same speed, you see it? Yeah, man. That would look good for dancehall. And make him go and do him thing, you see me? You don't know him have the unholy face. If you drop that, you know, put out some date and thing, you see me? You say, Ray, you see it, but you know the thing set already. You see me? Maybe him have something I go and deal with, go and put into place. You see me? See, like him a travel to Canada regular now. You see? He must have a house over there or something. You see me? Yeah, man. But people, I just say go. As an artist, you have to make sure you have your own fan. You see? Yeah, man. I have to make sure. But you don't know his thing set in a dance hall, you know. You see me? And yo, you have to have always have a game. You see?
I need
Man,
you
have to always have a
subscribe.
game, man. You see me? But you know, say sometimes get caught up in the wrong things. If I know with police or some girl that call up him name and them look at things, you see me? Yeah, man. That I think too. Oh, you don't know him keep him show police and him always and things and them things don't really look good, you see me? And you don't know people, them big people in the industry are, you see me? I watch it and see what go on. You see it? But as me say, he's a good artist. Yes, me don't know what go on. Really. I see him a drop couple song, but I not too see nobody even talk about it. But you don't know. You have to just make him father go and run the thing, car. You don't know. You see me? I just say him have to just go and watch and thing, you see me? Yeah, man, car. You can't too try out Chinese father, you see me? Yeah, man. That me I try to say people. But you don't know. A Popcaan that, you know. You see me? And I'm not doing things same way. But hope to see you down the line down in the years. We're gonna see what go on. Or if I'm gonna pull up the car and roll the show and then we go something there. But if I just go and do him, I do, you see me? Yeah, man. But you don't know any people. Yeah, man, I'm media facts, man. Yeah, man. That is it.